Hi everyone, let's discuss about threats and opportunities of robotics and drone technology in construction industry. The robotic and drones are having a good future potential towards the construction industry in another 10 years time. Artificial intelligence offers the latest equipment in order to address the large scale and troublesome field issues. As we are facing the difficulties on design and constructs, these tools will help and improve the condition and performance for the final products. Usage of automation in construction will also able to achieve higher quality, lower possible cost, minimize the safety issue, and leads to a successful project. Robots and drone are commonly used for automation in concrete work that cover the laying of concrete to post-laying leveling, removal for the water in surface, and also for the final floor finishing. Besides that, the implementation of drone in construction which able to collect the valuable data and insight for the construction areas. It is a significant tool that tracks the progress and also condition easily and quickly. The 3D image of the project will generate and brings advantages to clients and architects who are able to utilize drone data to navigate the 3D of site before the commencement of construction. There are several threats identified for usage of robotic and drone technologies in construction industry, such as high cost for the training program, maintenance and recruit skilled workers, technological adoption difficulties, security and privacy issues, climate, and incompatibility of the technology. High costs. The threats of implementing those advanced technologies in construction industries, which include the cost issue. They are consisting numerous of cost problems, for example, high cost to train the workers. Besides that, robotics and drone technologies must be updated till the latest version and function in order to obtain a better quality at the end of the results. The maintenance cost will be very high because the repairing which required by the special technician and it may not affordable by each of every companies. Therefore, for those companies which does not have extra budgets, have to think over before purchasing, as the implementation of advanced technologies may causing the project cost overrun at the end of the construction. Technological adoption difficulties. Robotics and drone technologies are very tough to operate and to understand. Robotic technologies are sophisticated to operate, particularly in the programming technique and their integration into the construction activity. Security and privacy issues. Despite the capability of AI to strengthen security, it also a prime target for hackers, cybercrime, and privacy violations. This is a critical issue with huge economic and financial implications. Besides that, the safety of construction workers can be compromised, which can lead to accidents or loss of life. Climate. High wind speed will affect the controlling of drones, especially for the smaller size of drones. The high wind speed may cause the drones not able to capture a higher quality pictures as the drones are not very stable. Moreover, some of the drones are not waterproof and not able to be used during the raining time. Incompatibility of the technology. Some automation and robotic technologies intended for on-site application are not easily understood. To make the workers understand the operation of the robotic technologies, training and retraining of workers become compulsory to upgrade skills for semi-skilled workers to increase their knowledge of robotics. This will cause an increase in time and cost of the contractor, which will bring a negative influence on the project performance. There are several opportunities based on usage of robotic and drones in construction industry, such as to achieve lowest possible cost in construction, able to create innovative design, and to reduce safety problems in construction. Usage of drone and robots will reduce construction costs significantly. According to WeBuild Value, by the year 2027, 2.7 million human held positions in the US construction industry might be replaced by machines. While in Japan, usage of robotics and drone technologies are getting less independent and technically simple as only requires limited sensory capability. Therefore, eventually, labor costs will be reduced in the future of the construction industry. Innovative design. Implementation of robotics and drone technology in the construction industry will improve the design of buildings in the future. Design of buildings will be smarter with the development of hexagon geosystem. This system, developed as a structural monitoring system that can use sensors to detect the strengths and weaknesses of given structure that would otherwise will be not visible to the naked eye. This system will also help to assist workers in predicting structural problems before they occur, allowing the site owner to bring in appropriate team to perform necessary maintenance before the site becomes dangerous. Reduce safety problem in construction. Surveillance for security is very important in the construction industry, especially on site. Surveillance tasks can be carried out by robots. This will increase the efficiency, resulting in significant labor saving and better management staff safety. Integration of drone technologies with the positions of personnel and machineries will help to reduce accidents at the construction site. Let's look at implementation of drone and robotics technology globally in construction industry. Singapore. Singapore use construction robotic in construction industry. Robots are being used for professional cleaning system, inspection and maintenance system, and dismantlement system in construction. Robotic technology will be able to diminish the dependence on unskilled workers and skilled workers operating on complicated construction machinery. Robotic technology will streamline and further improve the present construction process for a shorter project period and guarantee quality consistency of the construction project. Besides that, Singapore's Industrial Research Agency has Commerce worked on 5G-enabled drones that apply a system called LiDAR and cameras to monitor construction time at the site and then send the data they gather to systems that generate digital models of buildings that change in real time. Singapore also used drone for inspection of high-rise building to identify the condition of building. South Korea. South Korea utilized robots to prevent accidents at tunnel construction site. A construction helper of South Korea top steelmaker has applied a leg robot based on Boston Dynamics dog-like robot at its tunnel construction site to inspect for cracks and construction fault that could lead to accidents. The robot played the character of preventing accidents by inspecting the interior of tunnel construction site for any safety dangers before workers go in after the blasting. The dog-like robot equipped with 4 legs, able to walk on bumpy and uneven surfaces filled with rock debris. The introduction of smart construction technology such as unmanned robots and drones that will enhance work efficiency and supervise the safety of workers at the construction site. China. Artificial intelligence is being used to supervise workers' behavior on construction sites across China. AI integrated to CCTV cameras will able to monitor employees at the construction site. The system also can track every employee on a site using biological identification methods like facial recognition technology. Japan. Japan is the world's leading robot producer, where it produces 47% of all robots worldwide. Shimizu Corporation invested 3 billion yen in developing construction robots over the past 3 years. Clear function and target, compact mechanism, easy operation, and repeated improvement are some of the aspects that contribute to the success of robots in practical application in Japan. Now let's watch video clip using robots and drone in construction industry.
currently, facade inspections are pretty much done by our inspectors who go out to site. We are physically on the building maintenance unit or the gondola carrying out the physical inspection. In the past, when you compare the inspections in the past, the way, as I mentioned, we do it is we don't have this 100% visual inspection. We do the physical inspection, and then from the physical inspection, we get the defects. Now, with the new requirements, the requirements stipulates that you need to do 100% visual inspection. To do the 100% visual inspection, you could either use drones, or you could get one of your team members to actually take a camera and capture the images of the facade from different locations, of course different angles depending on the height of the building. The savings in time using drone is going to be far more than me having our facade inspector or facade consultant standing at different positions taking images. The accuracy is going to be enhanced as well by using a drone. And lastly, of course, the main reason why we're doing this is to identify critical defects, and the whole purpose is to mitigate risk. We want to mitigate risk of any facade failures from occurring. And using the drones and capturing the images from the drones really helps to mitigate those risks. And that's the key thing here.
Thank you for watching.